pushes over, all the blood going to his brain. Oh, baby, that hurts. That's a guaranteed quick way to get an instant headache. Oh, that hurts. That's got to be about 4 negative G's now. You're wondering what's the difference between positive and negative G's? Very simple. Positive G's will push you either into the ground or into the chair that you're sitting in. Negative G's are trying to throw you out. If it wasn't for the seatbelts and shoulder harnesses, the Scott really winds this airplane up on the way down. Look at the seatbelts. The airplane on negative G maneuvers. Now I'm sure you've heard of blacking out and graying out and everything. But that's what happens when you pull too many positive G's. And oh baby. A little bit of a humpy bump over the top there. He's at a flat spin. Come on, Scott. That's a risky maneuver, buddy. And he's out. Fortunately, the NXS highly So getting back to the G forces, the positive G's will pull the blood away from your brain as he does a very large and graceful barrel roll. But the negative G's are going to force the flow of the blood to your brain. And because of the way we're built these negatives right now, well, the negative G's hurt a lot more. Our body is built, our physiology determines that we take the positive G's a lot better than we take the negative ones. Coming around from the left, stop that throttle all the way up. Look at him. Holy, what is that? And there he goes, negative again. Oh, this is very good. Scott is not staring his airplane over himself as he pushes over the top. That's the classic Humpty Bump maneuver. Spin on the way down. Oh, baby. It's the ultimate roller coaster ride. You already beat correct. But there's a catch to it. With this airplane and its fantastic roll rate, the problem means with the starting and the stopping of any rolling maneuvers. Because this airplane starts and stops so there we go. Look at that 45-degree upline while flying the airplane slide down. Nice big 45-degree climb. Keep your eyes on it. Wait for it. The airspeed's going to bleed off. There it is. That's a hammerhead stall climb. And he doesn't roll all the way down. Why? That's because it's fun. You can get your not to mention himself, but that's actually the weak point. This airplane can take the stress a lot more than he can. I gotta tell you, these aerobatic engines that you have seen here today are pushed to the which loosely translated means hell. Well, yeah, I agree with that. Stop taking this airplane back in. Now, if you want to find out more about this airplane, you can go to msaircraft.com. We're going on and look at on this all-carbon fiber aircraft. To say that Scott is having a good time with this airplane would be an understatement, but I know the first thing he's going to do when he gets back on the ground, he's going to go and get something to hold the trip he's going to need. Here he is on the right. Wait for it. It's the torque roll. That's the torque of the engine. Spinning the airplane around. The airplane does want to keep flying. And Scott wants to keep flying too. I'd like to give a shout out to Scott's wife, Teresa. She provides Airshow cookies to all of us up here on the announcement stage. Thank you, Teresa. We appreciate it. From the left, Scott diving down. Scott Francis, MXS, Junior, there behind the and he makes it look so easy. That's the beauty of it. He and this airplane are one, so that each of them knows what the other is going to do. They become an extension of each other. And that's the beauty of watching Scott Francis. He's got so much time in this airplane. He knows exactly what's going to happen. And of course, he knows that not only because he's flown the wings off it, but he continues to practice. And look at this, we got a race going. It's Precision Exotics. And here comes Scott Francis. And we're off. Here we go. Scott Francis in the lead, but that Shelby is catching up. Here we go. Here's the Shelby. And the Shelby takes the win. Shelby versus MXS. Interesting one. You can drive that Shelby. All you got to do is go down there to Precision Exotics and say, hey, I want to buy the Shelby. That sets you right up. If you have a valid driver's license 18 years or older, you can satisfy your need for speed. Here comes Scott Francis coming back on. Scott Francis is coming around as Precision Exotics. He's going to drive back. I'm sure in just a moment or two here, Scott's going to turn around, bring this airplane in for a landing. Well, if you've ever wondered what 737 pilots do in their off time, we just saw a great demonstration of